So I did one egg where I kind of fried it all the way through, and then I did one where I left it a little runny. Oh, you see it just spill out there. Hey, what's up everybody? It is Sunday, and that means we're cooking breakfast on the Blackstone. I've been driving down 40, and there's a sign on the side of the road, billboard some might call it, for Whataburger, where they have a breakfast burger. Now, I've never had the breakfast burger, so I don't even know what it entails. But I saw it and it inspired me to make my own breakfast burger at home, so that's what we're doing today, breakfast burgers. We got smash burger style. Now with these smash burgers, to make it a little more breakfasty, in with the 80-20 ground beef, I added some pork breakfast sausage. That might be terrible. That might have been a disaster. I don't know, but that's what we're gonna try today. So it's gonna be burgers, cheese. I already cooked the bacon because, you know, it's bacon. It's pretty straightforward. You just throw it on the griddle and let it go. And we're gonna throw potato cakes on there. I bought a whole bag of these, so I have to use these in every cook now. But right on the griddle, and leftover little bacon grease we got there, so we'll let those start frying up. As you know, with smash burgers, they don't take that long. You smash them down, and before you know it, they're cooked. So let this get going here for a second. We'll smash the burgers, put some cheese on. I made a sauce to go with it. It's like a basic kind of burger sauce, mayo, ketchup, Worcestershire, a little bit of seasoning. But I thought as I was making the sauce, I was like, this might have been a good idea, instead of like a sauce or a mayo or whatever normal condiment you do on a burger, country gravy, like breakfast. Country gravy makes sense. But it was too late in the game, so we got basic burger sauce, but you know, we'll see how it turns out. It should be good. Or really bad. One way to find out. Cook it and eat it. Hello, Minnie. Hi, man. It's Minnie. Minnie's here. I don't know if you can see her because she's small, but Minnie's here. Alright, potato cakes are good. We're going to pull those off, let them sit for a second. Now I'm going to throw the buns on first. I want to get them good toasted up, and that'll go faster than the burgers because these are smash burgers. We're going to take like 2 minutes tops. Quick little toast on our bunzos there. Alright, we're going to go ahead and put the sauce on the buns. Get a little bit on top and a little bit on the bottom. Extra more dip. Alright, where's it? What's the bottom? Is that the bottom? Yeah, it's the bottom. Alright, we'll go bacon. A little bit of oil down. And on we go. Need a little bit of salt. We're going to get a lot of flavor from the sausage that's mixing there, so don't need too much seasoning. Now, what do you think? Oh, these are going to turn out way bigger than I thought they were. Oh well. We'll survive. Flip them. And a good old-fashioned American cheese. All right, time to eat. All the hard work pays off in the end when you get to eat it, and holy cow. Look at that thing. This is definitely not the most healthy breakfast, but luckily it's Sunday and it's a culinary fitness well accepted fact. Calories don't count on the weekend, so we can eat as much as we want. Man, oh man. All right, let's go in. Bon appetit. God, jeez, I don't even know where to start. This looks good. I'm an idiot. I just realized I forgot something. How can we have breakfast burgers with no eggs? What a moron. 2 seconds. Alright, that was almost embarrassing. Almost ruined the whole video. How did I forget to put an egg on a breakfast burger? Alright, let's try this again. Now with added egg. Okay. So I did one egg where I kind of fried it all the way through, and then I did one where I left a little runny. Oh, you see it just spill out there. This was clearly the one that was the runnier, a little over easy burger. An egg. Burger and egg. I don't know what's happening anymore. Alright, here we go. This is going to be messy and gross bone apple teas. Alright, yeah. Egg took it up like 100 notches. Can't believe I almost forgot that. What an idiot. Mmm. Oh, that's good. That is good. I don't know if it's as good at Whataburger, but homemade breakfast burger on the griddle, pretty solid. I'm going to probably regret this later today, but for now, I'm enjoying it. This is good. If you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel with the bell turned on for notifications for more breakfast, Blackstone, all kinds of cooks on the griddle, and who knows where else. Whew. It's hot. It's maybe too hot to eat outside today. I might have to go back inside, but thanks for watching. I might have to try the Whataburger breakfast burger now that I've made my own, but I also will have to go to Taco Bell because they have really good breakfast too. See you at Taco Bell.